Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It's October 28, 2011. Let's take a look at satellite view this afternoon. You see the clouds that have been over the region pushing off to the east-northeast with these bright yellows over Ohio and Pennsylvania. That's going to become a snowstorm for portions of West Virginia all the way up into Maine, where winter storm watches and warnings have been issued. For our region, a weak system pushing through the Great Lakes will bring some clouds in the region tonight, Friday night, and temperatures by Saturday morning will be in the lower to middle 30s. Once again on Sunday morning, lower to middle 30s. Can't rule out some frost in a few areas. We'll have to watch and see how strong the winds are, though, whether or not we get frost or not. A lot of times that depends on winds and cloud cover. Either way, temperatures will be in the 30s, and it will be chilly during the mornings. Let's take a look at forecast high temperatures. This is for, let's push ahead to Saturday, upper 50s and lower 60s over most of our region. Not too bad. Sunday, lower 60s is what I expect. Remember that normal high temperatures this time of the year are around 65 to 68 degrees, so this is still considered to be below normal temperatures. Monday, a little bit warmer ahead of another system that pushes through Sunday night and Monday, but still temperatures below normal with highs only in the 60s. Let's take a look at the forecast map as far as precipitation, and here's the snowstorm for New England and the Northeast. Early snow at that, with a lot of the trees still having leaves on them. This is going to cause quite a bit of tree branch damage. We'll move ahead to Sunday, and we see snow continuing, pushing out of Pennsylvania into Maine, and we watch this little storm system over the Great Lakes. Depending on how far south and west it moves, could be a few showers over the Evansville area and parts of Kentucky on Sunday evening, Sunday night. We'll keep an eye on it. Right now we'll leave the forecast dry. Same on Monday morning. As that storm pulls away, the clouds will exit as well. Then we're going to watch this storm develop over the central United States towards the middle of next week, bringing us our next chance of showers and thunderstorms. A bit too soon to make a call on amounts with that. Let's take a look at the NAM. This is a computer model off the rightweather.com, and you see the snowstorm. This is tonight. You see the snowstorm developing. Watch that develop and push into Maine as we move through the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Snowfall amounts anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, pockets of 10 to 12 inches in the heavier bands. Wet snow should make for some good photography for those in its path. And here we are on Sunday afternoon, and you see this little system trying to move towards us out of the Great Lakes area. This is going to dive to the east-southeast and just clip our northeast counties is what we suspect. Let's look at the snow forecast. For at least 1 inch of snow, you see almost 100% chance. We move ahead to tomorrow, and you see widespread snow of at least 1 inch. Again, this is probability for at least 1 inch or more, and you see these white areas, and that's almost 100% chance of snow. Let's take a look at the longer range off the GFS. I've been talking about a storm system for around November 6th, 7th, somewhere in that region. Let's take a look at that on the GFS long-range model. Here we are on Sunday night and Monday, and we see that storm over the Great Lakes I mentioned to you, just clipping our eastern areas. And then watch out, here's another storm develops on Wednesday and Thursday. This one, depending on the track of the low, the European model shows this low further west and deeper. If that were to be the case, then thunderstorms would be possible into our region. Either way, we're going to put rain in the forecast Wednesday night and Thursday, and then that will pull away by Friday. And then the more significant storm that some of the models are showing, again, remember, this is in the long range. This is November 7th, and a rapidly deepening low over Oklahoma and Texas, and then that moves northeast beyond that time frame. We'll just have to keep an eye on this. It's been on the charts for more than a week and a half now. When I see a signal like that, it grabs my attention. So plenty of time to monitor it. The bottom line for this weekend, though, it's going to be a nice weekend. High temperatures in the 60s, morning lows in the 30s, a little bit of clouds on Sunday afternoon and evening, slight chance of a shower over the eastern part of the region Sunday night. Go out, enjoy the weekend, and make it a good one.